Greetings from Fire Island, and this is the community of Lonelyville. But do not fear, you would not be alone here. The deer are plenty. I'm not going to disturb you much, let you enjoy the rest of your green dinner. Oh, this is the, nice to see you again. Yeah, this is the Atlantic Ocean view, and we are now heading towards the bay. And this is the third weekend of July, around 6 p.m. Almost 90 degrees, and it's very quiet. So I think they did the right thing by calling this neighborhood Lonelyville. One of the pleasures I had while walking through here was seeing cactus growing. Someone had brought cacti and it was thriving. Not something you often see growing in the New York area. So that was rather unique. And I've been walking since the Fire Island Lighthouse, which is over by Robert Moses State Park, through Kismet, Saltaire, Fair Harbor, and now Lonelyville. And that's the first time I'm seeing cactus growing. Now, speaking of plants, if you are going to garden on Fire Island, pine is the way to go. It's naturally found here. Many people have brought in bamboo, and that is to preserve the shoreline. As this is not a very wide island, we're almost at the bay already, and bamboo really holds in the soil very well. Yuccas have also done quite well here. But keep in mind there is, and this is how we will walk over to the next community. Keep in mind there is a large deer population here, so if you're thinking of, and you do live here, you're thinking of planting something here, keep in mind that try to get something that refreshes itself very quickly, like a bamboo, something that the deer can eat. Some people will fence off their property so that the deer will not have access to eat things on their lawn, even though this is deer property. They live here and own this space. So keep that in mind when planting. And there is a sign here in Lonelyville, the end of sidewalk, which I think is a parody of the slogan Montauk, the end. Now, we're not seeing a market or a big ferry terminal. This really is Lonelyville with big houses being built. A rather understated personality. And there is the bamboo, and you could see they put the bamboo runner holder so that it won't run, because they're planting it close to their house, but they don't have to worry about it getting in the foundation, as this house is built on stilts, as most houses are. But you see how thickly close the bamboo grows? It's really good for holding in the soil on a place like Fire Island. And that is a quick view of walking Lonelyville, Fire Island. As far as Long Island goes, we would be across from Islip. Welcome to Lonelyville. And it really is that quiet. But remember how we started here. You won't be lonely in Lonelyville, because the deer will gladly hang out with you. They're not afraid of people. You should not feed them when you're here. Plant things that will feed them if you are a resident. But they don't run away from people. And now you can see how close we are to the great South Bay. Some areas do have swimming. Saltaire had swimming and lifeguards present. It's a great place for the horseshoe crabs. There is West Fire Island, yep, a separate island called West Fire Island, and the marina. Till next time, from Lonelyville Fire Island, New York, and I think we have yet another Lonelyville sign. Please be respectful of our Fire Island neighbors as we now approach Atlantique. Till next time, happy summer from I Love New York.